what role should the church play in terms of the BVR process or voter registration? I think the church in Zimbabwe represents the biggest, most organized, and by and large, most honest constituents or body of people. I qualified it as a by and large, most honest people, but that understands processes and are able to follow more logically without being rowdy or being deceitful in a big way like it is with other ordinary constituencies or groupings of people in this country. And our expectation is that the church should collaborate with the commission in terms of voter education as we build up towards the process. And that the church is going to also use its leverage and big following to make sure that it explains to all Zimbabweans that at the moment we are starting from ground zero. Everyone is not registered. Everyone is going to register afresh. The process is a new process. We needed to make sure that we procure the equipment that is required. But for us to get the equipment that is required, there was a requirement, of course, for money, and that money had to come from government or from partners that we work with as a commission. At some stage, there was a commitment by the UNDP to give us the money, but the government of Zimbabwe has failed. No. The election is ours. We cannot allow, well-wishers to bias the most crucial elements of the election process, which is why I'm sure you followed the argument regarding the UNDP having offered money, but government saying, no, we are going to pay it ourselves. Understandable, so because the issue of funding of elections is a function of government. Cooperating partners can only come to assist the process when there is failure to do so. And true to its commitment and word, government did provide the required amount of money to buy the BVR kits, but they did not interfere with the selection process of the companies that were going to be the ones that will offer the BVR. Ours is a very difficult assignment as election officials or as a commission, because politics itself and elections are always highly contested, and everyone who is getting into the ring expects to win. Yet our role is to make sure that we make each vote count to whoever it is given to. In so doing, we are guided by the rules and regulations that come from you citizens through the Constitution and through the Parliament. So you might not necessarily get the desired result, but our role is to make sure that whatever we do it very, very properly according to the prescribed rules and regulations as per the Constitution and the Electoral Act.